Welcome to Pay the Pool Man. Today we're going to walk through how to add a logo to your account. First thing you'll do is click Settings, Logo Center, and then you'll see this screen here. We want to click Upload and Edit. We'll click Small Logo and then choose from our options. We'll choose the file we want and we will see that load here. And it'll give us a little successful box and then repopulate us to this screen here. Then we can click Upload and Edit. We can click Large Logo, click here, and we're going to choose the same file for today. If you'd like to do a different file, that's totally up to you, but we'll go ahead and stick with the same one. Then we'll also see that repopulate us back to the home screen. So here we can see small logo, it says for invoices, bids, etc., and then large logo, emails, customer payments, that kind of thing. So just keep in mind that's what you'll see. And then let's take a look at what this looks like on a customer's invoice. So we will go to Invoice and Payments here, and we'll just click View Invoice. Okay, so we see our little logo is populated up there. Looks really nice, gives us a nice professional look. If you have any questions, let us know. We do recommend trying to do a square or a rectangle. If you do have a circle logo, just make sure it has some backfill, and the settings itself will resize it for you. If you have any questions or issues, just let us know. Okay, thank you.